What if Earth is the egg of a giant creature? Imagine this. What if everything we know about Earth is wrong? What if our planet isn't just a rock floating in space, but a living, breathing entity, part of something far more colossal and unimaginable? What if Earth itself is the egg of an enormous cosmic creature? This theory may sound like something straight out of science fiction, but let's explore this curious concept and dive into the possibilities it raises. The cosmic egg concept. In many ancient cultures and philosophical beliefs, the concept of an egg is often used symbolically to represent the beginning of life, the universe, or even existence itself. The cosmic egg is a prominent motif in creation myths, such as the Hindu Brahmanda or the Chinese Pangu myth. But what if this symbolism goes beyond myth, and our Earth is actually contained within a much larger organism? Could Earth be a biological egg? If Earth were truly an egg of a giant living creature, it would likely follow biological principles, albeit on an unimaginable scale. Let's explore some scientific possibilities. 1. The giant creature. This creature would need to be mind-bogglingly massive, possibly the size of a galaxy, or even larger. It could be a spacefaring entity, existing in a dimension we can't fully comprehend. The idea of living, self-contained entities that span across astronomical scales isn't entirely far-fetched. There are organisms on Earth, such as bacteria, that can live in extreme environments. So why couldn't there be a life form capable of containing entire planets within its body? 2. The egg's development. Like any biological egg, Earth might be developing over time, awaiting a future hatch. Perhaps it's a stage in an evolutionary cycle, similar to how a butterfly emerges from a cocoon, or how a bird hatches from an egg. Instead of typical biological processes, we could be part of a cosmic version of that development. The Earth and its biosphere could be the growing environment for something that will eventually break free and emerge into another phase of existence. 3. Time and space. The concept of time would need to be different for such a creature. What if the passage of time is cyclical, like the growth and eventual hatching of an egg? Perhaps the massive creature's life cycle mirrors the Big Bang and the eventual death of galaxies, an eternal cycle of life, growth, and rebirth. Time could flow differently for the creature, meaning what seems like millions of years to us could be a mere instant in its life. 4. The connection to our existence. If we were inside an egg of this size, it could raise questions about our existence. What if our entire history, from the formation of Earth to the evolution of humanity, is merely part of the process of this egg's incubation? Could our purpose be to prepare the planet for its eventual hatching? Maybe life, evolution, and extinction are part of this process, orchestrating changes on Earth to create the perfect conditions for whatever will emerge from this cosmic egg. 5. The collapse of our understanding. If Earth is truly the egg of a gigantic being, it could explain the profound mysteries of the universe, such as the origin of life, and why we haven't yet encountered other intelligent life forms, the Fermi paradox. It could also provide an answer to questions about the fundamental nature of reality itself. Is it possible that we are living inside an organism that we are entirely unaware of? Or perhaps we are a part of a much larger cosmic life form whose perspective on reality is vastly different from our own. Philosophical and metaphysical implications. This theory touches on the boundaries between science, philosophy, and spirituality. The idea of Earth as a cosmic egg raises fundamental questions about our place in the universe. Are we alone, or is our existence part of something larger? Are we merely a brief moment in a cosmic cycle? Could this vision of life challenge everything we know about consciousness, biology, and existence? Perhaps Earth's apparent flaws and mysteries, like black holes, the paradoxes of quantum mechanics, and the unexplained forces that govern the universe, are all part of a larger design that we cannot yet perceive. Maybe our role is to explore these cosmic phenomena and understand our place in the bigger picture. Conclusion. An unfathomable reality. While the idea that Earth is the egg of a giant cosmic creature may sound like an outlandish concept, it serves as a reminder of the infinite possibilities of the universe. The mysteries of life, the cosmos, and existence itself remain largely unknown, and theories like these challenge us to think beyond our conventional understanding of reality. Whether or not Earth is an egg, or something even more fantastical, it shows us that the universe is filled with untold wonders, waiting for us to explore and understand. In the end, this thought-provoking idea invites us to imagine that our world is far more than we think, that the universe might have an incredible secret waiting to be revealed, one that could change everything we know about life and existence.